Everyone has dreams, including you, but turning them into reality starts with clear goals and consistent action. Whether you are still discovering what you truly want or already have a vision in mind, setting and achieving goals can help you feel more focused, confident, and fulfilled. It may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right approach, you can take meaningful steps toward the life you want. Keep watching to learn how to start setting powerful goals and making real progress today. How to set your goals. Think about what you want to achieve in life and what would truly make you happy. Define what success or happiness means to you. Imagine where you want to be in the future and consider what steps you can take today to move closer to that vision. Writing about your interests, passions, and how you enjoy spending your time can also help you discover meaningful goals. Consider why you want to achieve each goal and what motivates you. When a goal is meaningful and personally important, you are more likely to stay committed and succeed. Write down your ideas to make them feel more real and clear. Putting your goals on paper can help you visualize them, remember them better, and stay focused on achieving them. Make your goals as specific as possible, since clear goals are easier to achieve. Define exactly what you want, why it matters, who is involved, where it will happen, and when you plan to act. Tell someone about your goals to make them feel more real and to create accountability, which can help you stay committed to your plan. How to achieve your goals. Rank your goals by importance so you know what to focus on first. Prioritizing helps you stay committed, and it may also show which goals to set aside for now so you can focus on what matters most. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps, since big goals are easier to achieve when you focus on one clear step at a time. Plan the first step by identifying the one action you need to take to get started. Beginning with a clear, simple step makes your larger goal feel more achievable and helps you build momentum. Set deadlines for your goals by creating a timeline for each step. Clear time limits help you stay on track, while allowing room for setbacks keeps your plan realistic. Create an environment that supports your goals by surrounding yourself with helpful people, reducing distractions, and setting boundaries that make it easier to stay focused and motivated. Stay consistent by working on your goals every day. Steady daily effort builds progress over time and helps turn your actions into lasting habits. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and accountable. Using a journal, app, or calendar can help you see how far you have come and keep you focused on your goals. Life goal examples. If you're still feeling stuck on what goals to set for your life, that is completely okay. Choosing meaningful life goals can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting to take charge of your future. The good news is that goals can be simple, exciting, personal, or ambitious. Maybe you want to become an inspiration to others, challenge yourself every day, and live more mindfully. Maybe your focus is financial, like gaining financial freedom, getting promoted, becoming debt-free, improving your credit score, buying a house, or even becoming a millionaire. Your goals might be about self-growth, such as mastering a skill, learning a new language, exercising daily, giving up junk food, keeping a journal, or practicing gratitude every day. They could also be about big life dreams like graduating from college, starting an online business, writing a novel, composing a song, making a website, or getting paid to do what you love. Perhaps your heart is pulling you toward adventure, whether that means going on a road trip, traveling the world, visiting your dream destination, seeing the northern lights, climbing a mountain, or taking a solo vacation. Your goals may also center on relationships and life milestones, like finding your life partner, getting married, becoming a foster parent, getting a pet, or simply learning to cook or bake. No matter what inspires you, the right life goal is the one that gives you purpose, excitement, and a reason to keep moving forward. Sometimes, all it takes is one idea to spark a whole new direction in your life. Why are goals important? Goals are important because they can improve your quality of life. They keep you motivated, give you a sense of accomplishment, and help you feel more satisfied and confident as you achieve them. Thanks for watching.